Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our previous video, we have discussed some of the input devices. Now, in this video, we will discuss about some more input devices that are used for computer. Already we know that by using input devices, we can accept the data from the user. I have listed some of the input devices here. Touchscreen, OMR, OCR, BCR, microphone, webcam, scanner. Now we will discuss about all these one by one. Touchscreen. It works based on sensors. The sensors of this touchscreen detect touch of a finger. It is used to select options from menu. That means we can accept the input directly through monitor. Touchscreen mainly used in ATM machines, in mobiles, in railway stations, departmental stores or malls. OMR, Optical Mark Reader. It is a method of entering the data into a computer system. The OMR reads pencil or pen marks on a paper form. For example, if you write any set examinations like NEET, MCET or any other competitive exams, in that you may observe the OMR sheets. In that you can mark the circles with pen or pencil. These can be scanned by the OMR. OCR, Optical Character Reader. It is also known as scanner. It can be used to scan the photos, characters, images. Also, it is used to read printed text. That means it reads the text character by character and converts them into machine readable code and stores these text onto the system's memory. BCR, Barcode Reader. It is used to read printed barcode to identify the product. The light which is emitted from this BCR identifies the barcode image. This data, that means this barcode data, is generally used in labeling goods, in numbering the books, etc. For example, take your subject book only. Backside of that book, you can observe BCR image. If you scan that, you can get the information about that book name, author name, number of pages, cost of that book, etc. information you will get. Microphone. It is a voice input device. It is used to record a voice and also it transfers the voice data. Microphone is mostly used in presentations with voice background. Webcam. Webcam is used to communicate with others. Nowadays, these are built in within the laptop itself. For the video conference, video chat, we need to have this webcam. Scanner. This device works as a Xerox machine. It converts any type of data that is printed, written or photographic data into digital pulses. And these can be manipulated by the system. If you understand the concept in my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.